In this video, we'll show you how to replace a call button on your Callovo 2-number display call system. First, make sure the new call button has its battery installed and place it next to the receiver. In this demonstration, we will be replacing call button number 7. Step 1. Press and hold the replace button until you hear 2 beeps and a closing melodic tone. This indicates that pairing mode is active. Step 2. Quickly press the call review button to select the call button number you want to replace. In this case, we are selecting number 7 call button. Quickly, within 6 seconds, press the new call button once. You'll hear 1 beep, confirming that the existing call button number 7 has been successfully replaced. Step 3. Press the record button once to end the pairing process. Then press the time button once to exit the pairing mode. Finally, test the new call button to ensure it is working correctly. Callovo. Simple, but more than just simple.